Cool Energy, Inc. is a high-tech power conversion company with headquarters in Boulder, Colorado. The company's management team has received numerous patents, including its most recent patent for the solar flow system.
If we installed Cool Energy's SolarHeart engines and even 30% of the opportunities for industrial waste heat recovery, we would install 11 gigawatts of generating capacity, which would produce 60 billion kilowatt hours of electricity every year from heat that's wasted up industrial smokestacks. We could save 30 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions every year if we get even 30% of the opportunities. And that's in the US alone. What we have going on here is a demonstration of a model Stirling engine with cold pucks for the cold side, creating the temperature difference with the room temperature air. So this is the hot side of the engine and this is the cold side of the engine. When the gas moves to the hot side of the engine, it expands, pushing the power piston up and moving the gas then to the cold side of the engine, where the gas is easier to compress than it was when it was hot. And this cycle is the way that the Stirling engine is able to generate mechanical work from the difference between a hot side and a cold side. Traditional Stirling engines have always worked at high temperatures, temperatures that you get from combustion of some kind of material like coal or oil or natural gas. And our insight was that that combustion process is causing a lot of the pollution problems that we have environmentally. And so we looked to make a lower temperature engine. So that's breaking the paradigm of the high temperature combustion engines. And that low temperature engine could be used for waste heat recovery from industrial processes, could be used with non-tracking solar thermal collectors. In our pilot solar flow system, you can see its main components: the solar thermal collectors, the thermal storage tank, the pump station, and the SolarHeart engine. This solar flow system produces over 1,500 watts of power.
Cool Energy's fourth generation of SolarHeart engine was developed and assembled during 2011, producing a smaller and more powerful version of the engine. 3 orders were received from development partners during that time, and the first 2 commercial shipments were delivered in the fourth quarter of 2011. Larger engines are the focus of current efforts at Cool Energy in 2012.
The adaptability and the flexibility of the Cool Energy technology is what I find really fascinating, and one of the things that we found attractive when we were making a decision on what technology to fund.
To learn more, please visit www.coolenergyinc.com.